So I pulled out the John Deere last night and I greased it up. I meant to check the oil, but I forgot, so I got to take it back over on the slab later and check the oil. I'm sure it's fine. I mean, I don't run this hardly at all, so. But today I think what I'm going to do is wash it up. It never gets a bath, but now I got the pressure washer. I can start to wash it and take better care of it. And you know, I've got the Beast, and the Beast is great. It does all the high-powered stuff that we need. But there's something about this little John Deere. It's 42 inches. The Beast is 50 inches. This just rides better. It's more fun. It's like a little race car or something. Even the thing is, it doesn't even go as fast as the Beast. The Beast is rocket fast. So, but I like it. I'm glad I got it. So I got this electric power washer. And 1,600 pounds. Now I know everybody thinks that I should get a gas-powered one, but our water system doesn't handle that. It's the pump's like 3 gallons a minute, or maybe, I don't know, but it's not very much. So the pump ends up losing the battle, and then I got to stop and wait for the pump to catch up. Whereas with this, I never have to stop. It just runs and runs, and I can run it off the inverter, the solar panel system, and I can take this inside, which is pretty handy. In the winter, I just put it over the shower, leave it there. Now I'm going to leave this outside underneath the well here during the summer and spring, but it's just made more sense for us to have this. I understand everybody thinks they know how to live off grid, but there are things you have to think about, and one of them is if I didn't take this in the winter, then the pump could freeze. I mean, you could put antifreeze and different things in it, but I definitely wouldn't be able to store it. It would just be harder. So this is what we got, and this is what I like. So we're going to give this a bath, and this is what I do for our customers on the other channel also. I've never washed well, I might have on the channel. I'm not sure. Maybe I have. Okay, so this is probably why you should wash your lawn more on occasion. As you can see here, something has wore away the insulation on this wire. I would like to say it's probably a mouse, but I don't know for sure. So it's not a big deal. I'm just going to tape it up. But this is key as to why you should wash your mower, because you get dirt in there and you don't even recognize that you've got issues. Okay, so now I'm going to let that dry a bit, check the oil, and then put it away. I'll probably mow tomorrow, but what I'm going to do here is fill the water tank back up since we use so much water. The inverter's already on, so it makes sense. Okay, so now it's filling. We didn't use a lot of water. So if you'll click this up next box, it'll take you to a video where I was working on a, I guess putting an inner tube into a tire on the other channel. So hope I can inspire you to clean up your equipment so you can live your dreams. Thanks for watching.